Hi guys, today I'm going to be decorating our entryway and living room for spring, just keeping everything bright, airy, and simple. Let's get started. I'm just going to start by clearing everything off the table so I can have a clean slate to work with. And then I'm just going to give it a quick wipe down before I start decorating. I picked up this lamp recently at Target, and I am really loving the green color and the scallop shade. I think it adds just the right amount of detail and is going to be a staple on this table. To balance things out, I'm adding a white vase with some flowers. The white, I believe, really ties in with the lampshade and it keeps everything feeling light and simple. So tell me in the comments, when you put flowers in a vase, how many times does it take you to get it right? I seem to be struggling with this one today. Next, I'm adding this framed art from Target's Hearth and Hand collection. I love how the gold frame and the greens, whites, and browns in the print really tie everything together. It's the perfect touch for this vignette. And here I am again, trying to get the flowers right. So let's see if I can get it right this time. Next, I'm adding a few books, a gold dish, and then a candle. I love the look of the white candle, but the scent was not my favorite. It actually gave me a bit of a headache while filming. Under the table, I'm adding wicker baskets to store extra books, a thrifted wood box, and I'll add a green vase that I purchased from Walmart and a few greenery stems. I just love how it adds texture and keeps the space feeling cozy and organized. To the left of the table, I am adding a small plant table and placing a white lantern on top to bring the white color down and balance the space. And of course, I will be adding a candle. To the right of the table, I'm adding a simple crock to add a little more white to the space. To finish the table, I added an arch wood picture frame with a beautiful Jesus print. It's the perfect personal touch for this space. Here's the finished entryway table. I started with the lamp and the vase, then added framed art to tie in the colors. A few books, a gold dish, and a candle added texture. Wicker baskets, a wood box, and a green vase under the table bring in storage and greenery. On the left, a plant table with a white lantern carries the white down, and I added a crock on the right to balance. Finally, I'm adding a arch wood frame with a Jesus print that adds a personal touch. I love how it all comes together for spring. Now I'm styling the 4-tier tray. It's a fun space to layer decor. I usually start on the bottom shelf, but today I'm starting on the top. I'm adding a white DIY vessel and adding some greenery. On the second shelf, I added the cutest Longaberger basket that has painted daisies on the front, which I think helps bring down the white to this shelf from the top shelf. I'm not packing the shelves like I normally do, just keeping it a little bit more open for the spring season. I also added a few books a textured white pitcher with greenery, and then added a brass candlestick with a white candle. And all of this will help balance out the white tones. On the third shelf, I added a thrifted plate with a family saying, a glass cloche with a small brown pitcher and little white flowers. I also added a white dish to hold everything together. Then I added this hearth and hand twine holder from Target, and it's really one of my favorite pieces on the stand. On the bottom shelf, I placed another DIY vessel that matches the top shelf, along with some greenery, and a brown vase, and a black iron candle holder with a candle. This will complete the 4-tier stand. I love how everything is grounded and tied together. Here's the finished look. Simple, bright, and cozy for spring. I could not leave the back of the door empty, so I just added a basket that I bought from Magnolia and added some roses that I bought from Walmart a few years ago. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this entryway and 4-tier stand refresh. The living room will be the next video. This one would have been way too long if I had added it. So I will see you soon. Bye.